Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of Prague's most iconic landmarks, the Vltava River. The Vltava River is the longest river in the Czech Republic, stretching over 430 kilometers. It flows right through the heart of Prague, offering stunning views and a rich history that dates back centuries. Historically, the Vltava River has been central to Prague's development. The iconic Charles Bridge, built in the 14th century, spans the river and connects the old town with the lesser town. It's not just a bridge, it's a living museum of Baroque statues and Gothic architecture. The Vltava River isn't just a scenic backdrop, it's a cultural lifeline. It hosts numerous events throughout the year, including the famous Prague Spring International Music Festival,